Cobalt Design hardware setup. The Cobalt Design scanner mounts on a standard camera tripod. Mount the scanner on the tripod by tilting the scanner upward, sliding the scanner mount into the tripod head, and then lowering the scanner to snap it in place. Here is the process. The next step is to attach the 3 cables to the underside of the scanner: USB, HDMI, power. First, insert the USB cable. Second, insert the HDMI cable. Lastly, insert the power cable. Connect the USB cable to the rotary table. Connect the power cord to the rotary table. Next, install Revenge 2019. After installing Revenge 2019, connect all the cables to the computer. First, connect the USB cable into an available USB port. Plug the HDMI connector into the secondary monitor output port of the computer. This port is usually the auxiliary monitor port in a laptop computer or the second output port in a desktop computer. Ensure both monitors come from the same source, either video card or motherboard. If your computer has a DVI port, use a DVI HDMI adapter. Position the scanner roughly 3 feet from the target object for the inner cameras on the Cobalt Design Dual. Allow the Cobalt Design scanner to acclimate to the environment for at least 2 hours. You have seen how to set up the FARO Cobalt Design.